Okay, here's question 6 on the calculator paper. This is our first algebra question on this paper. And here we go. So read the question carefully. Simplify. Simplify means to tidy it up. Could you write it in a simpler form? And it's pretty obvious from here. You guys should be very, very familiar with this. C plus C plus C, because you're adding them. C plus C plus C is 3C. That's an easy mark. It's going to take you 2 seconds to do that, and it's pretty straightforward. Going on to part B, simplify. Okay, a lot of people have difficulty with this, right? The key to this question is the fact that it says timesing, right? And whenever I'm teaching this, I tell people to work with the numbers first and then with the letters. So let's do that. So we have 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. That should be pretty straightforward. Everyone could do that. And then E times F. Well, in algebra, E times F, we don't write the times sign. We just write EF. So there you go. That's 1 mark. Pretty straightforward and easy to get. Okay, so make sure you get that. 2 times 3 is 6. E times F is EF. So it's 6EF altogether. Part C is simplify. Now, you need to do is to first look at this. This says 9p plus 2t minus 2p plus 3t. Now, in this expression, we have letters p and the letters t. All right. So what we need to do is to bundle them together, collect together like terms. So if I look at the p's first, I've got 9p and I've got minus 2p. Now notice how I've circled them there. I've done that intentionally because circling them with the sign does help. Now the 9p at the front doesn't have a sign in front of it. That means it's positive. So effectively what I'm doing is 9 take away 2, 9p take away 2p. That's going to be 7p. And that's a positive, but I just leave it there. I don't need to put anything in front of it. That's okay. Then what I've got left is positive 2t and positive 3t. I'm adding those two things together. 2t add 3t is 5t. Altogether, that's positive 5t. Okay, and that's my final result. That's my answer. And that's a really popular type of question. They like putting negatives in there, right? And this is a pretty straightforward version of this question. An easy 2 marks to get. Make sure you get these marks.